guys, Frosty here with another cooking video, and we are going to be making this weird pastry. Okay. First, you have to open this because it's too hard to explain. Because we'll put the toppings on later. First, you have to do this. Wait. Okay, so we're not using Nutella. Okay, we're gonna use chocolate chips, food coloring, Hershey's Sunday Cream. It tastes way better than the other one. Red Eye Whip, and sprinkles. We're gonna use most of the toppings at the end. Okay, you got it? Sorry, my camera is pretty bad. Anyway, now I have to. It smells buttery. Okay. And this is really hard. Never try to do this at home. Trick someone else into doing it for you, because this is very hard. Okay. Now we are going to do the food coloring. Okay. Let's see. Red, blue, yellow, or green. Let's do purple. Now we want to do a lot. Around 3 or 4 drops. If that doesn't work, we'll probably add purple. Anyway. Put this on there. Now, mix it. It feels good. It feels like slime. What to do is Yeah, this is very hard. Yeah, you should totally trick someone into doing it for you. Okay. Turn it over. Can I add more? Now we're gonna have to add some more red because it's only mostly on the inside. Let's go. Oh, it's bleeding. It's dying. Anyway. I think we got yellow.
Oh well.
Well, I'm pretty sure that was yellow or orange. See? Oh, we have to. And I just trying to make it like looking like a dough. Like I might make like a dough cake or something, like a little like thing that looks like this. I mean, it looks cute, kind of. Kind of like clay thing, like clay wielding, except way more squishier and way more tastier. Yeah, let's do a dough cake. Now, I don't think this is going to turn purple, so. Wait, let's check on the inside. Yeah, it doesn't matter that much anyway, but now let's see. Okay, I'm gonna shape it. Okay, now I'm just shaping it. And now, wait. Wait. Should we use the chocolate chips right now? Is that? Oh, wait. Now, we are just going to put this in the oven and watch the sequel to it. Cooking Frosty 2 Part 2. Sounds a little bit weird, but if you watch the first one, you'll understand that this one is a pretty good, better version. Now I'm just making this dough. Can't wait to see what this looks like. It's cute. I'll just mush it together. Yep, that looks good. Wait, a little more food coloring. Just one drop. Just to make sure. When it bakes, it might not stay the same color. But we'll have to try it anyway. Now that is red. But when it spreads, it's kind of more like a yellow. Okay. now it's time. Okay, bye guys. There will be a sequel to this where we take it out of the oven and we'll see what it looks like. And let's see, how long should we cook it? Wait. What does it say? Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.